This is Hunter, and today a winner will be picked for the 50th video giveaway. Except I am not going to be picking a winner myself. He will.
Elon Dust.
But before we continue, I just want to show you this beautiful Baguio. Baguio really is beautiful. We have a cathedral over there, of course. This is the view from my apartment. Greenery galore, pine trees, most of it. We have SM. Thank you, SM, for providing us the food and wine. And we have the circly thing of death over there that I wouldn't get on, whatever you want to call that. Ferris wheel of doom. Thank you, Baguio, for being so beautiful. You might recall my previous video. It was my 50th video, and because of that milestone, I decided to do a giveaway. It's been difficult the past few days looking at the prizes in front of me on my desk, making me starve, but I promise I haven't eaten any of them, though admittedly I have squeezed the rubber chicken a few times. So I'm giving away all these Baguio goodies to you. Who's going to win this today? So to enter this competition, in my previous video, you had to say, I'm in, and then we're going to pick one of the winners right now. Well, Elon Dust will. I don't want to do anything normal. I don't just want to pick one single winner. What we're going to do now is pick 3 finalists, and then those finalists are going to go into an arena, a fight arena, and then Elon Dust will choose the winner out of those 3 finalists. Right now, I'm not going to pick a winner. I'm going to pick a finalist. We're going to pick 3 finalists, and then Elon Dust will actually pick the winner. So let's pick the person who's going into the finals now. Hey, fantastic! We have GM Makuha. I apologize if I've mispronounced your name, but you're into the final. You're the first person into the finals. And now we're going to pick a second winner to go into the finals. He is clicky sounds. Winifreda Hennigan. Well done, I am in. You're into the finals. And finally, the final third person into the finals is clickety-click, is our Jeremiah Feliciano. Again, I've probably mispronounced every one of your names, but it doesn't matter because you're the third and final person into the finals. Now, it's up to Elon Dust to decide who is the final winner. So what I've done is taken the 3 finalists, I've taken my business cards, Hunter Talks, and I've written the 3 finalists' name on the back of each card, and this will make way more sense in a minute. So, and again, I apologize for how I pronounce your names, but we have Winifreda, JM, Izzard. I assume you're not related to Eddie Izzard. What I'm going to do is take each of these 3 finalists and Elon Dust, the Terminator. We'll choose one of these as the winners. Let me explain how that's going to happen. So how this is going to work, these finals, is that I'm going to take all 3 of these names. We'll assign each of you to one of these beer bottles, one of these San Miguel bottles, and Elon Dust will pick the one winner in this arena, the fight arena. You can see the arena is outlined by this advanced technology consisting of water bottles and laser guided pillows and shoes. Let's choose who is assigned to each of these beer bottles. So who's going to get assigned to the first beer bottle? I'm going to take the business cards and I'm going to just randomly, you can see but I can't, randomly choose one, pick a winner, any winner, this one. JM, you get assigned to beer bottle number 1. Beer bottle number 2, we're going to spin these 2 names around. I'm not looking, we're going to choose Izzard. You are beer bottle number 2. And finally, we move across to the final bottle, bottle number 3, which is Winifredo. There we go. That's all 3 set up and ready to go. We've got all 3 of you lined up in the fight arena. Only one of you can win. Elon Dust is going to choose the winner. We have a GoPro here, and what I'm going to do is start off Elon Dust, and whatever beer bottle Elon Dust bumps into first is the winner. Obviously, I'm not going to start Elon Dust off right there because obviously Izzard will be the winner straight away. I'm going to take Elon Dust. Let's put him over here. We have no idea who's going to win this. Okay, so he's in the corner next to the advanced electronic boundaries. We're going to spin him round a few times. Yeah, come on, Elon Dust. That's Elon Dust. We're going to hit... Before we start off that fight arena, let's do a countdown. We're going to hit that start button. Whoa, he's kicked off by going into reverse, surprising all of us. Who's he going to pick in the fight arena? He's bounced into one of our... Oh my gosh, he's going to bounce into the GoPro. Whoa, he just missed that one. Who's going to be the winner? Let's jump into the fight arena. Elon Dust, oh, he's going to go for a Winifreda, I think? No! Oh my gosh, I really thought that was going to happen. Oh, he's going to go for Winifreda, I think. No! Okay, sorry Winifreda, you didn't get this one, or at least not this very moment in time. We're following Elon Dust. Elon Dust is going to pick Izzard! And the winner is Izzard! Well done, congratulations to Izzard. I will send all the Baggio goodies off to wherever you are in the world. Elon Dust has chosen you as the winner. I'll reply to your comment, Izzard, so that you know that you've officially been chosen. Please do reach out to me. Either contact me through email as below, or preferably via Facebook Messenger. Well done, Izzard. What do you have to say?
Thank you!
Well, that was a bit of fun. Congratulations to all the finalists, but of course, congratulations to Izzard as picked by Elon Dust. Thank you to everyone for watching this video, and of course, more specifically, the 50th video beforehand. I genuinely appreciate all my subscribers, especially when you correct me on my pronunciation, which is a lot. See you again in my next video, and let's look forward to my next giveaway, which I promise will be much sooner than waiting for 50 videos. See you!